This section heading is called the installation and initial startup of Eclipse. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to install Eclipse. So we're going to install this from the local repository on this system, so that's why we're using the -F option over here. And we're going to install, and the package name is Eclipse. So once the package is installed, we're going to close the terminal. We'll come over to this dash icon over here, and we're going to do a search for that application. So we'll start typing Eclipse, and then we'll launch the application right from here. So you're going to receive a pop-up asking you to set the location where your projects are going to be stored. So by default, they're going to be stored off of your home directory inside of a directory called Workspace. So we're going to leave this at its defaults, and we're just going to check this box so we don't get prompted for this each and every time that Eclipse starts up. So once Eclipse starts, you're going to be presented with a kind of like a help page. So you've got overview, tutorials, and what have you. So we're simply just going to close this, and we're going to access Eclipse's development environment, which is also known as their workbench.